Okay, so let's continue our discussion. Okay, let's continue our discussion. Okay, we will now go to the history of microbiology. Okay, we will be discussing the contribution of each scientist or personalities. Um, you might find history you might find this boring but very important. You should know about the contribution of each scientist because you know what, guys, in 2017, 2018, though your second year, you have to, as early as now, you have to know kung ano yung mga lumalabas sa board exam because in 2017 and 18 lumabas sa board exam who is the father of microbiology, the father of modern microbiology, and so forth. Okay, so first person who contributed to the field of microbiology, we have number one, we have Louis Pasteur. Okay, we have Louis Pasteur. Okay, and by the way, guys, mahirap mag-memorize ng mga pangalan ng mga scientists lalo na't ang dami-dami nila. So, ang tip dyan, guys, is you have to make a code. Dapat meron kang mnemonic or kailangan mo ng different strategies or technique para ma-memorize mo sila. Okay. With regard to Louis Pasteur, importante dyan yung kanyang apelyido. Yan, pinaka-importante dyan. Okay? Based sa surname ni Louis Pasteur, ano ba yung mga contribution niya? First, mag-focus ka sa kanyang apelyido. By the way, Louis Pasteur is a French biologist. Okay. What are the contributions of Louis Pasteur? Okay. First, he was the one contributed about the pasteurization of milk. Pasteurization of milk. Pasteurization of milk. Now, focus on the word pasture. And another thing that Louis Pasteur establishes is your pasteurization of, aside from pasteurization of milk, also establish your Pasteur Institute. Pasteur Institute, located where? In Paris. Seat of love. Okay, another thing. Okay, take that letter L sa first name ni Louis Pasteur para hindi natin makalimutan that also Louis Pasteur contributed about your liquid media. About your liquid media. About your liquid media. And one of the most important to know about Louis Pasteur is he is credited as the father of microbiology. Father of microbiology. Yan, isa yan sa pinaka-importante. Lumabas yan sa board exam, guys. Father of microbiology. Kailangan natin i-highlight yan para hindi mo makalimutan. Father of microbiology. Okay, another contribution of Louis Pasteur. Important is, okay, sa father na yan, you have to take that letter F. Okay. That gives you now, letter F, fermentation principle. Fermentation principle. Fermentation principle. After taking that letter F, isa pa, remember your ATH sa father. Okay, also contributed your ATH. What is letter A? Your letter T and letter H. What is letter A? Okay, introduces your autoclave. And also, okay, introduces your hot air oven. Hot air oven. Ay, sorry, by the way, meron pa parang letter T. Nagmamadali tayong taite. Okay, your most popular theory of Louis Pasteur is the germ theory. What about your germ theory, guys? Ano ang meron sa germ theory po natin? Okay, what is a germ theory according to Louis Pasteur? Your germ theory is the accepted scientific theory for many diseases. Accepted scientific theory for many diseases. Ano bang laman ng germ theory? Germ theory states that microorganisms known as pathogens, or in layman terms, okay, that is your germs. Again, pathogens can lead to disease. Okay? That they are too small to see without magnification, it invade humans and other living hosts. Ito yung kabaliktaran ng abiogenesis theory na tinatawag po natin, which is yung abiogenesis. Ano bang abiogenesis? Kabaliktaran, that pathogens does not lead or does not cause diseases. Okay, so yun po ay inabandon na. Okay, wala na pong abiogenesis dahil ang bago, which is accepted theory for many diseases, is your germ theory. Again, what is your germ theory? Okay, states that microorganisms known as pathogens can lead to diseases. Another contribution of Louis Pasteur. Okay, aside from those enumerated, tataas ko lang guys, wait lang. Okay, also, Louis Pasteur, sorry, masyadong malaki. Okay, Louis Pasteur gave us 3 vaccines. Okay, he gave 3 vaccines. Ang mnemonic na gagamitin natin dyan, we have your CAR, C-A-R. What are those vaccines contributed by Louis Pasteur? First, we have your cholera vaccine. We have also your anthrax vaccine. Okay, your anthrax vaccine, and also introduces your rabies vaccine. Okay, what are the vaccines? Okay, gave by Louis Pasteur? Your CAR, cholera, anthrax, and rabies. Okay, just to summarize lang natin, Louis Pasteur postulated, ano yung kanyang pinostulate? Pasteurization of milk. Ayun, tataas natin. Pasteurization of milk. What else? Okay, establish your Pasteur Institute located where? In Paris. Also, yung letter L doon sa kanyang pangalan, para hindi mo makalimutan, L, liquid media. The most important father of microbiology, Louis Pasteur. Sa letter F na yan, anong letter F? That is your fermentation principle. Another, take that alphabet letter, A, T, H. What is A? Autoclave. Yung T, anong theory ang kanyang kinontribute? Germ theory. Ano yung germ theory again, guys? Germ theory states that microorganisms known as pathogens, okay, can lead to diseases. Okay, yung kabaliktaran ng germ theory, which is wala na yon, abandoned na yon, yung abiogenesis. Kasi nga, A means absence, paniniwala ng abiogenesis theory na ang pathogens ay hindi daw nagkukos ng disease, which is ang accepted scientific theory ngayon, yung germ theory ni Louis Pasteur. And your letter H is your hot air oven. 3 vaccines gave by Louis Pasteur, your CAR, cholera, anthrax, and your rabies vaccine. There you go.